Hi everyone! In today's kitchen, we will be making garlic longanisa inspired by Chef Harvey with a twist. And so, longanisa is a classic Filipino breakfast and a favorite. So, let's give it a try. We will be using a half-kilo beef. In Chef Harvey's recipe, he used pork. You can also use pork, guys, and or chicken, ground chicken. And we'll put 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of atsuete powder or the annatto powder for coloring. Para pag niluto mo siya, magiging bright ang kulay ng longanisa. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup or banana ketchup. Half teaspoon of ground pepper. And 1 tablespoon of flour to bind the ingredients. Ayan. So, I'll be using my hand na lang, guys, kasi kailangan mix na mix para yun nga, manuot yung lasa. Yung meat, kailangan na may taba konti para pag niluto, nagmamanti-mantika. May bawang, guys. Naamoy ko yung aroma ng garlic. Balutin na natin, guys, and then after magbalot, i-rest sa fridge. Or pwede rin kapag na-mix nyo na, you can rest it in the fridge bago nyo balutin. Sarap ng amoy. So we're ready to wrap our longanisa, and we will be using a parchment paper, guys. Or you can also use a cling wrap kung wala kayong parchment paper. For traditional longanisa, they use hog casing, kaso wala po tayong ganun. So, I'll be using a parchment paper. So, 1 tablespoon yung nilalagay ko. Ayan siya, guys.
A few moments later.
Ayan, tapos na po tayong magbalot and ilalagay ko po ito sa ziplock. And kung tatanungin niyo ako kung nasaan yung twist, yung twist ko is, ang ginamit ko ay beef instead of pork. Yun lang po yung twist. Wala na pong iba. Kasi doon sa recipe ni Chef Harvey, ang ginamit niya ay pork. Ilalagay ko po ito sa ref kasi bukas gusto ko siyang tikman. Hindi ko siya matitikman ngayon, guys, kasi gabi na. Nakapag-dinner na ako. Bukas na lang. Good morning! And it's 11:50. Mag-aalas 12 na dito sa Washington. And hindi pa ako nag-aagahan. And now, we will cook the longanisa I prepared last night. The Chef Harvey longanisa. It will be our brunch. Let's just put a little bit of oil. So I'm excited. Wow. Now, let's do the taste test, guys. Excited na ako dito sa may longanisa. Masarap, guys. Amoy na amoy yung garlic at yung tamis. Aktong-sakto lang. Yung tamis at alat. Kulang na lang talaga yung sinangag. Ayun lang po for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye for now!